Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna leave this real simple. All I'm doing is I'm gonna pull this taut like so, so that it holds on to here. When I slip it on, it holds really tight and snug. And then I'm gonna kind of just guesstimate. I'm gonna take a, let's try this again. I'm gonna hold it tight there, and then I'm gonna make a little snip right there that lets me know that's as far as I want it to go. And then I'm gonna make another snip right down here. Okay, that lets me know to go here and then cut right there on the side. So I have these self-adhesive on the back of these furniture felt floor protectors, and I have the oblong ones. I use this because it's perfect for putting underneath the wooden legs of this chair. And furthermore, I'm going to place those underneath. Now, I don't need the whole size. I only need them in like half-inch increments. So that is what I am trying to indicate so wonderfully, horribly actually, off camera, but my apologies, but you get the gist. I'm going to then, once I have my four pieces, take the adhesive paper covering off of it and then place them on the legs, and then I will put my cozies on. Fits perfectly. Okay, so I have used these for time and time again, and one of the reasons why I came to the conclusion of making the leg cozies is they always seem to slip off those adhesive felt things. So this way, it has been working just fine. Time will tell. Now, you may not want to use a glue gun to put your cozies together. However, I have done something similar to this, and it's okay to totally throw these in a cold wash and then just hang them dry. It will work. But if you so choose to sew yours, go ahead. My sewing machine hasn't worked since I did the bit of bedding on your window video. So yeah, glue gun it was for me. Okay guys, so just like that, it's done. This took maybe a couple of minutes. So my only hope is that I'm glad that the pad floor protector has a self-adhesive backing to it. So hopefully it won't move. But I didn't just need this. Hopefully this chair won't go all the way backwards, you guys. But there you go. And there, just like that, you guys, I have little cozies that's gonna protect my floor. Yay! I could have just used a felt. I know you're wondering why, but over time I in fact have felts on all of my chairs and couch legs, but over time those things tend to come off, especially if you're in a high humid area. For whatever reason, they tend to slip off and you have to reapply them, but as it goes. So I have that one, and now I have one, two, three more to go. Okay, guys, so this is just a simple, I think it's actually an outdoor chair if I'm not missing, but it is, you guys guessed it, it's IKEA. So it folds up really simply. I didn't want a bulky chair that I'm going to be using temporarily for a new craft area, and I wanted something really simple, but I didn't like the fact that there was no cushioning, to protect the floors. And so there you have it. You hear that? I'm not gonna get the scratches on the floor, and it almost blends in with it. And on top of that, I had leftover sweater fabric that I used to make a Christmas stocking last year. So that's always a plus to me. So from time to time, I'll just use a vacuum cleaner to dust it off, and then I can throw those in the wash in a cold cycle and air dry them, and then put them back on. So you guys, what do you think? Maybe you can try it too. Bye-bye. Thank you for your time. You guys see a bit of a peek for my next video. That gray box, the type of boxes that you can actually get to put on shelves, I needed a lid for it, so I used cardboard and made a lid for it. So check out that next video coming out.